Number 1. This 1963 Ford Galaxy 500 sedan, priced at $7,500 in Oak Harbor, Ohio, is a timeless classic with just 48,000 miles. It's a strong runner featuring numerous new parts, making it an ideal cruiser for vintage car enthusiasts. The car's solid condition and sleek design stand out, offering a blend of style and reliability. Whether you're a collector or someone seeking a dependable, stylish ride, this Galaxy delivers. It's a charming piece of automotive history, perfect as a weekend cruiser or a solid foundation for further customization. Number 2. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova, priced at $6,500 in Lebanon, Missouri, offers vintage charm with its straight-six engine and 2-speed power glide transmission. It starts, runs, and drives smoothly, making it a solid candidate for a restoration or daily driver. Recent updates, including disc brakes, a new fuel tank, and other fresh parts, enhance its reliability and performance. With a clean title and solid overall condition, this Nova stands as an excellent project car for enthusiasts or a classic cruiser ready to hit the road. Number 3. This 1981 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 hatchback, priced at $7,500 in Huntsville, Arkansas, offers thrilling performance with its 1994 302 engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Featuring a B-cam, Edelbrock carburetor, Jones exhaust, and push-button start, it delivers a responsive and exhilarating drive. Rear louvers and frame connectors add to its appeal, while some bodywork is needed to bring it to perfection, running great and ready for an enthusiast. This Fox body is a solid foundation for a fun project or weekend cruiser. Number 4. A rare gem with just 28,000 miles, this 1980 Dodge Mirada Cabriolet is listed for $8,200 in Jensen Beach, Florida. Powered by a 318 V8, it features bucket seats and a distinctive cabriolet roof, one of only 936 produced. Stored for decades, it remains in excellent condition, needing only minor paint touch-ups to shine. The car runs and drives well, offering a unique blend of classic style and rarity. Perfect for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a distinctive piece of automotive history, this Mirada is a standout opportunity in the classic car market. Number 5. Listed for $6,950 in Port St. Lucie, Florida, this 1981 Chevrolet C30 Camper Special is powered by a reliable Goodwrench 350 crate motor. It features a solid frame, a well-preserved interior, and minimal rust, making it a strong candidate for restoration or daily use. The truck runs well, needing only a minor brake adjustment to enhance its performance. Built for durability and utility, this rugged classic is perfect for enthusiasts or those seeking a dependable workhorse with vintage charm. A versatile choice for work, travel, or simply enjoying its classic appeal. Number 6. For $8,500 in Lake Crystal, Minnesota, this 1966 Ford Galaxy LTD Fastback is powered by a rebuilt 351 Bado engine paired with a C4 transmission, 3.50 gears, and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The car runs and drives great, offering plenty of power and a smooth ride. It shows minimal rust on the driver's quarter panel, but retains a clean and straight frame, ensuring reliability as a daily driver. A classic with modern performance, this Galaxy combines vintage style with the performance needed for both cruising and everyday use. Number 7. Listed for $6,000 in Tunnel Hill, Georgia, this 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is a long wheelbase work truck that's a reliable and sturdy driver. While it does need a few minor fixes, it's a fantastic classic pickup with a strong foundation, perfect for customization or daily use. Whether you're looking for a project truck to restore or a dependable vehicle for everyday tasks, this Silverado offers both style and practicality. With a solid frame and the potential for upgrades, it's an ideal option for enthusiasts, work needs, or anyone in search of a versatile, hard-working classic truck. Number 8. Priced at $8,000 in Williamstown, Kentucky, this 1982 Ford Fairmont is an exciting find, featuring a powerful 5.0 Mustang engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission for an exhilarating driving experience. With minimal rust and brand new tires, this classic is both reliable and enjoyable to drive. Whether you're looking for a fun daily driver or a project to enhance, this Fairmont offers a great base for any enthusiast. It's a fantastic option for those seeking a classic muscle car that combines vintage charm with modern performance, ready to hit the road with style and reliability. Number 9. At $8,000 in Priest River, Idaho, this 1984 Chevrolet 1500 long bed, a K10 Scottsdale, stands out with a fresh Raptor liner paint job and a rust-free body. Powered by a rebuilt Goodwrench 350 engine, it offers strong performance, complemented by a Positrack rear and nearly new 35-inch BF Goodrich tires. With a recent tune-up and new stereo system, this truck is ready for both work and play. Its solid build and smooth running condition make it an excellent choice for enthusiasts looking for a reliable, rugged, and stylish classic truck ready for the road. Number 10. At $6,200 in Calumet City, Illinois, this 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS with only 50,000 miles is a fantastic find. Featuring a clean title and showroom quality interior, it runs great and offers a smooth, enjoyable ride. Ideal for enthusiasts looking to swap in new components or as a classic cruiser, it even includes wire hubcaps for added style. With its low mileage and strong condition, this Monte Carlo is a reliable, eye-catching option for anyone seeking a classic car with the potential for upgrades or continued enjoyment as is. Number 11. For $6,500 in Medina, New York, this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Wagon offers a solid foundation for a project car. While it comes as a roller with a full interior, minus the radio, and no motor or transmission, it boasts impressive features, including brand new tubular BMR adjustable rear suspension, 28-spline Currie axles, and Yukon 3.73 Posey gears. The clean title is in the seller's name, ensuring a straightforward purchase. With the right powertrain, this Malibu Wagon is ready for customization and can become a fun and powerful classic on the road. Number 12. For $8,000 in Katy, Texas, this 1976 Chevrolet Nova is a running project car with a striking blue exterior and tan interior. While it's perfect for anyone seeking a restoration project or customization, the seller is also open to trades, particularly small trucks, Jeeps, or Broncos. With room for improvement, this classic offers potential for enthusiasts to take it to the next level while enjoying a smooth ride. Don't miss the chance to own this Nova and make it your own. Feel free to reach out for offers or additional details. Number 13. For $8,500 in Bloomington, Indiana, This 1903 GMC C1500 from Texas is a classic with a 350 engine, TH400 transmission, Edelbrock carb, headers, and Flowmaster exhaust. Featuring a short bed and a solid body, it's ready for further upgrades, but does require power window repairs. The truck comes with extra parts, including new doors, adding value for those looking to restore or customize. This C1500 is a great foundation for a classic truck enthusiast, with plenty of potential for a powerful, reliable ride. Reach out to explore this excellent project vehicle further. Number 14. A classic with great potential, this 1968 Ford GT Torino is listed for $7,500 in Talladega, Alabama. Powered by a 289 engine and automatic floor shift, this solid California car has minimal rust, making it a prime candidate for restoration. The interior, featuring bucket seats and a center console, is in good original condition, though it has been removed temporarily for carpet replacement. With its strong foundation and iconic style, this Torino offers a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to restore a classic muscle car with a minimal amount of rust. Number 15. A solid restoration project, this 1982 Chevrolet C10 short bed is priced at $6,750 in Rolette, Texas. Powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission, this running and driving single-cab truck features a phantom grille and LED headlights. The frame and body are in great condition with only minor surface rust, offering an excellent foundation for restoration. Whether you're looking to bring it back to its original glory or make custom upgrades, this C10 is a great option for classic truck enthusiasts. It's ready for its next owner to take it to the next level. Number 16. This 1984 Chrysler ES Turbo is a low-mileage gem with just 52,000 miles, listed for $5,000 in Jacksonville, Florida. A one-owner vehicle, it features a sleek black exterior and a beige interior, paired with an automatic transmission. With its timeless style and low mileage, this Chrysler offers great value. The seller is open to selling or trading for a full-size or small work truck, making this a flexible option for those in need of a reliable vehicle with a bit of classic charm. Don't miss the chance to own this well-preserved piece of automotive history. Number 17. This 1978 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $6,000 in Lancaster, Texas, is a stylish black-on-black classic that runs well with just a bit of work needed. It offers a solid foundation for a fun project or a reliable daily driver. The seller is open to negotiation, but only within reason, ensuring a fair deal for all parties involved. Whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or enjoy it as is, this El Camino is an exciting opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of Chevrolet history. Number 18. This 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger long bed, listed for $6,000 in Conway, South Carolina, is powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with a C4 automatic transmission. Featuring factory AC and an 8-foot bed, this classic truck shows minimal rust and runs and drives great. It's an excellent option for those seeking a reliable workhorse or a project truck with strong potential. The truck's solid foundation makes it a perfect candidate for restoration or customization. The seller is also open to trades, offering flexibility for potential buyers. Don't miss out on this well-maintained, versatile F-150, a must-have for classic truck enthusiasts. Number 19. This 1982 Chevrolet S10, listed for $1,500 in Macomb, Mississippi, is a reliable running and driving truck featuring a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. While it has minor issues, there are no major problems, making it a great option for someone looking for a classic with potential. The seller is firm on the price, but is open to considering automotive trades, excluding bikes, ATVs, and boats. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly project or an affordable daily driver, this S10 offers a solid foundation to work with. Don't miss out on this affordable classic. Number 20. This 1980 Honda Prelude Coupe, listed for $1,200 in Tampa, Florida, runs beautifully, but it has shifting issues, likely caused by the clutch master cylinder. Despite coastal exposure causing some rust, it still offers solid performance. The 5-speed manual transmission provides an engaging driving experience, making this a great project for someone who enjoys working on cars. The price is firm, and it's perfect for those seeking a classic vehicle with potential. With some attention to the clutch system, this Prelude could be an enjoyable and reliable ride. Don't miss out on this budget-friendly gem.